Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 11th standard. This video is for 11th standard Arts, Commerce and Science students. We are discussing third chapter from syllabus, that is impressive web designing. And today we are going to discuss about creating hyperlinks in a web page, that is how to create a text-based hyperlink and image hyperlink. So let us start with a text-based hyperlink. First of all, to create a hyperlink in a web page in HTML, we are going to use a tag, that is a tag. We can say it is an anchor tag. Hyperlinks are used to connect one document with the another document. That is, if you are surfing one page, one web page, and once you click on certain link, you will be redirected to some another web page. So that is nothing but a hyperlinking. To achieve such a hyperlinking, we have to use a tag, that is anchor tag. Whatever text is to be displayed as a link, we should include that text within a tag start and a tag end. See, here is the syntax to create a hyperlink. So first of all, write a tag, then end of the a tag. Within that, type a text that you want to display as a link. So here is the text, that is click here for my page. Then after clicking on that link where the user is to be redirected, so that path is given with the href attribute within a tag. So href attribute specifies the path of web page, path of the HTML document where the user is to be redirected. So href attribute is used to specify the URL, that is the address of the file where user is to be redirected, that is nothing but which link is to be open, which page is to be open. That address is provided with href attribute within a anchor tag, that is a tag. So in this way we can create a hyperlink in a web page, that is a text based hyperlink. Now next point is HTML link colors. So once you search certain points on a net, then you will get a different colors for different links. So a hyperlink is by default appearing with a blue color and having a underline. So you can see, if we search any content here, suppose Mumbai University of Mumbai. Then see here, by default hyperlinks appeared with a blue color and having a underline. You can check here. These are the hyperlinks which are having a blue color and underline. Now, once you visit any of such a link, any of such a hyperlink, then that color will get changed from blue to purple and the visited link will appear as a underline. Okay, so let us see here. If I visit this site, now go back and you can see here this site I just have visited, that's why its color is purple now, and the sites that have not visited are appearing blue in color. Okay, so in this way visited link appears in a purple color and having underline. An active link is underlined and blue, that is, if you try to click on certain link, like suppose this one, then this is appearing in a blue color and having a underline. So there are different colors for the different links. So HTML link colors are different for each and every link. If you have not visited the link, then that appears in a blue color and having underline. If you have visited a certain link, then it is underlined and purple in color, and the active link is also underlined and blue in color. Then now let us discuss how to create a image hyperlinks. So see, in many websites there are the images used as a hyperlink. For example, if there is a previous arrow image or forward arrow image, then on clicking on that image you will be redirected to the particular page. So that arrow is nothing but a image. and that is treated as a image hyperlink. You can also see in many websites for the login there is a login and cancel. So they many sites use the icon, image icon also instead of the text button. So on clicking on, by clicking on that particular image, you will be redirected to the particular page. So as like a text based hyperlink, you can use image hyperlinks, but only difference is that instead of the text you will be you have to click on the image. So how to create such a image hyperlinks? So first of all, to create a hyperlink, the tag used is a tag. So in same way we have to use a tag start and end of it. The page which is to be open after clicking on the image, the address of that page is to be included with the href attribute. So href is equal to provide here address of that page, that is a HTML document. Then here instead of the text you have to insert an image, and to insert image which tag is used? Img tag is used. So here img, to provide the address of the image, that is source of the image file, we have to use src attribute. So src is equal to, here provide the name of your image, that is name of the image file with its proper extension, that can be jpg, png, gif, etc. You can use alt attribute within a img tag to provide an alternative text, that is alt is equal to, here you can specify that text. In this way you can create a image hyperlink. So now let us write down a program to create a text based hyperlink and image hyperlink. So for that purpose, first of all open a notepad and let us write a code. First line is doc type HTML. After that HTML tag start and end of HTML. Then head tag start, end of the head tag. Within a head let us include a title tag. So title and end of title. Provide here any meaningful title. Suppose creating hyperlinks. Creating hyperlinks. Now close the title tag, close the head tag, and now open a body tag. So body tag start and end of the body tag. Now within this, if we want to create a hyperlink, we should use which tag? The tag used is a tag. So a tag start and end of a tag. Now in last lecture we have discussed how to create a table, and we had created a table that is displaying input output devices. So I have that file, see here, table, and this is the output of that file. If we want to show this file on clicking, after clicking on the link here, then we can add the address of that file within a tag. So see here, within a tag start and end, I am going to add a text that is to be displayed as a link. So let us write down as click here to display input and output devices. Click here to display input and output devices. Now within this a tag we have to provide the path of file which is to be open after clicking on this link. So here that path is provided with href attribute. So href is equal to, provide here path of the file. Here file name is table.html. So here type table.html. Now save this program. Within a programs folder I am going to save this file. So here type a name for this program. Suppose hyperlinks. So hyperlinks dot extension is .html. Save this program, and now let us open that file, hyperlinks. So double click here, close this file. So this is the file that we have created, and this is the link. That click here to display input and output devices. After clicking on this link, the page will be open, that is a table.html. So see here, the table is getting displayed. So in this way you can provide here the path of any another file also. Just you have to change here a address of the file. In this way you can create a text based hyperlink. To create a image based hyperlink, we have to first of all download a image. Suppose I have downloaded here one image, see here, of aloe vera. This is image having JPG extension, and I have some information about it. After clicking on that image, this information should get displayed. So for that purpose, first of all, we have to create another web page. So open new notepad. Here, let us add information about aloe vera. So HTML, end of HTML, first line is doc type HTML. Then within a HTML tag, add here head tag, start, end of the head. Within this, add a title tag, so title and end of title. Here, add a title for this page. After that, close the title tag, close the head tag, and now let us open a body tag. So body tag start and end of the body tag. Within this, we want to include information about aloe vera. So here, let us include a p tag, start and end of p. Here, I am going to copy the information from here. So let us copy this and now paste here in the program within a p tag. Now let us save this program as aloe vera .html. Extension should be .html. Now let us check the output of this file. So see here, this web page has been created. See here is the difference between text based file and HTML document. This is a text document and this is a HTML document. So let us open this web page. This is the information about aloe vera. You can format this using, suppose we use a font tag within a body tag. So font, then face is equal to, suppose, Times New Roman. Use a font size. Size is equal to, suppose, 4. You can use a color also for text. Suppose color is green. Now save this. Here close the font tag after p tag. So close the font tag. Now again save this file with Ctrl S, then Alt tab and refresh the page. Okay. You can increase the font size. In this way. Okay. So now we want to add a image hyperlink within this program. Okay. That file name is, let us open that file, hyperlinks. So right click on it, open with notepad to change the code. Here we have to add a image hyperlink. So first of all, for that we have to add a image. To create a hyperlink, we will use a tag. So a tag start and end of a. Within this, we will add a image tag. So add img tag. Here to provide a path of image file, use src attribute of it. So src is equal to, within a double quote, add here image file name. So see, here is the image file name, that is aloe. Here check here extension of that image file. Extension is jpg file. So add here extension as a .jpg. Then you can use here alt attribute, that is for alternative text. Now this is the image, that is hyperlink. After clicking on that image, which page is to be open, that address is provided with href attribute. So href is equal to, provide here file name that we have created. See here aloe vera.html. So add here that name within a hyperlinks file, aloe vera.html. Now save this file and let us run this file, that is hyperlinks, to check the output. See here, this is the text based link and this is a image hyperlink. After clicking on this text based link, you will be redirected to a table, and when you click on this image hyperlink, you will be redirected to the aloe vera.html file that displays the information about aloe vera. If we want to have this on a next line, image to be on a next line, you can use here br tag after the text hyperlink. Refresh the page. To have one more line break, we can use a pair of br tag. Again refresh the page. In this way, this is a text based hyperlink and this is a image hyperlink. After clicking on that, you will be redirected to the different page. If you want to provide the path of any site, then you can do so. See here, if suppose you search here information about aloe vera, and if you want to provide a path of, suppose this site, then let us search again aloe vera. If you want to provide a path of, suppose this Wikipedia file site, then copy this address and you can paste here. Instead of our file, you can provide href is equal to address of that site. Then save this program, and now let us check the output. This is our page. Refresh the page. After clicking on this, now you will be redirected to the Wikipedia. In this way, you can use the different links, you can provide different addresses, but to access Wikipedia or any site online, you should have an internet connection. And the file that we have created, this one aloe vera, this is a local file, so you will not need an internet connection to open that file. So let us add here local file name that we have created, aloe vera.html. Save this file again, and now refresh the page by pressing F5. Click here, This opens the aloevera.html file. In this way, you can create an image hyperlink and text-based hyperlink. This is a text-based hyperlink and this is a image hyperlink. So note down this program. Note down all the points related to the links, hyperlinks. Then create a image-based hyperlink and text-based hyperlink and try to write down a program for it and note down it in your notebook. Thank you.